We are Robotics Lab in Department of Civil Engineering, National Taiwan University. Our team focuses on making traditional construction industry more automatic and safer by the way of automation, including autonomous crane and automatic structural inspection.
We're also popularizing the concept of maker in the field of education with automatic control. Create a safe and controllable construction site is our mission. We are here to introduce you our new innovative design, AutoCon, an autonomous assembly structural connector. AutoCon is capable of autonomous assembly and orientation controlling. During the assembly process of steel structure, workers have to stand on a narrow and unfinished structure at a substantial height with only a simple safety cable. Accidents sometimes happen and can cause serious injuries or fatalities.
In order to solve these kind of problems, we want to create a safe working environment for workers on construction site. After all, safety is a basic requirement at work, especially for a construction project. Based on our experiences and knowledge of construction automation, we figure out that the structural component connector is a key to realize autonomous construction. Over the past 3 years, we have observed, discussed, and designed a prototype of the connector that can fulfill the autonomous and safe demands. With AutoCon, workers will be prevented from working at height. AutoCon includes a new design structural connector and a control system. Our design concept is to use two-dimensional basic shapes, which are circles and triangles, to construct the AutoCon. It's easy to assemble the connector with male part and female part by a simple rotation. The design connector is assembled with a common steel beam. During the assembly, a connector is aligned to a position by crane and control system. With a simple releasing, the male part can smoothly slide into the female part and finish the assembly. On the other hand, the control system is to rotate the connector to the assembly angle. We employ the principle of conservation of angular momentum. Our AutoCon and controlling system have been built in lab and tested for validating its feasibility. The connector also passed the structural analysis. We are ready to deploy AutoCon to real construction site.
So what is the future construction? With our AutoCon, the prospective construction site will become managed construction, and then artificial intelligence will be introduced into construction industry. This could help engineers to predict potential crises, plan site layout automatically, and make the best plannings and decisions.
All these things start from a bottom-up innovation, AutoCon.
So let's step into the future construction site with AutoCon.